Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable HD video calls on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, you'll see a list of chats. Scroll down and open an individual or group chat where you want to enable HD video calls, even when using mobile data. Now, you're in the chat conversation. At the top of the screen, tap on the video or audio call icon to start a call. Once the call begins, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. A new screen will pop up. From there, select Call Settings. On the next screen, you'll find several options. Look for mobile data for HD video and toggle the switch next to it to enable HD video calls. Now, every time you make a video call on Messenger, it will be in HD quality. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.